Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at something that... okay. Every now and then, I run across something on the internet that I get curious about, and I order it because, you know, it's late at night. And when it arrives, I'm faced with this whole kind of, you might be a redneck if kind of thing. And I don't know if having a belt clip or a clip-on thing for your Zippo lighter makes you a redneck or not. I don't know. So anyway, this is the Z Clip by Zippo. It lets you basically add a clip-on thing to your Zippo lighter. And the way it works is it lets you clip your lighter on, apparently. And, you know, that's about it. Let's open this thing up and take a look at it. Now, I don't know how bad it is, the whole redneck thing, and the whole, I mean, I don't think it falls in the category of having like a chain for your wallet. Not quite there yet. But, so, it clips, and it's a belt loop. And so if I take a Zippo lighter, the Zippo lighter is supposed to insert like this, and then snap in. Okay. So, it's not coming out. It's snapped in pretty solidly. So how do we get it out? We push this in and lift out, I guess? I don't know. So, securely holds it. So maybe you're supposed to, let's see. It clips in like this. And so you push and pull maybe? Like that. Okay, that doesn't come out too bad. It clips in, and then you push down on this and pull out. You kind of like lift it out. Well, okay. If you decide you need one of these, I'll include a link in the description. I think it was like 12 bucks. And I don't know. It definitely will hold your Zippo lighter, and it gives you the option of clipping it to something. I don't know. I don't know if this will clip to like a sun visor. It seems like it's a little wide for that. Clips on belt, waistband, pocket, or sun visor. So I buy all those except for the sun visor one. So, I don't know. What do you think? Does this make you too much of a power redneck? Or is this just a weird gadget? Man. That's a question I end up asking myself way too much. Anyway, let me know what you think. Do y'all need a clip-on for your Zippo lighter? If there's anything you think I should take a look at, you can let me know down in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, such as it was, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.